Hey, what's up guys? Got the new Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. There are essentially three variants of this thing. They're all different sizes, all pretty similar in specs. So this is IP68 waterproof. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Now in terms of the S Pen, this is the new one. Have the button right here. This is what it looks like. This is the older one from the S8 Plus, but essentially they are identical in terms of size and shape. Both have the same buttons right here. We have a USB-C to USB-C, and we have a SIM card slash micro SD card remover. So if I place this right here, it's up on the top. So if I push this in, this thing will come out. And assuming I can take it out, it's not super easy. It looks like this is where you would place the SIM card, if the camera can focus. SIM card right here, and the micro SD card right here. So it's kind of genius that they integrated in one. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the S9 Plus. We could see the power button, volume up and down. We could see the SIM card and micro SD card are there. So it's a 2-in-1. We have two speakers. We have a USB-C. We have two more speakers on this side, and we have the keyboard docking. Now, I do have the S8 Plus right here for a comparison's sake, so you guys could see it. It's pretty much identical, really. Power, volume up, the micro SD, a USB-C, the speakers on both sides, and the keyboard dock. Really, the only noticeable difference is this part is glossy, and the cameras are smaller compared to the S9 Plus. This part is matte, and the cameras are larger. Now, I've removed the keyboard cover from the S8 Plus to see if it'll work with the S9, and it does. However, when I put this, you could see from the camera angle, the cameras don't fit, so it's not designed for this thing. However, if I do connect it, it shows up, it says the connected keyboard isn't designed for this, and there may be some unexpected behavior. So let's do that one more time. So for this tablet, so you may get some unexpected results. So that's what it said. So when you connect the keyboard, Samsung DeX opens up. That's a setting inside options that you can set, and it'll automatically open, and it gives you this desktop style, laptop style interface. Not quite as good as Windows or anything like that. However, you do have internet access, and if you, I don't know, well, I'm already on my video, so we could press play on this. Okay, so
hey, what's up guys? Today I'm really like that chair as well.
So you can full screen it.
It doesn't feel as premium.
Go back. If you want to go to another website, I don't know, go to tesla.com. Boom, works just fine. So as you guys could see, the keyboard works just fine. And I'm so used to the sliding thing because this is an Android at the end of the day. What we could do is, I could go to GoodNotes, for example, and I could get the pen, and let's just open up this notebook. And I was doing some tests before, but we could basically just add a new page, and I could write with this thing, and it feels really good. It's very natural when you write with this thing. It just feels uber good. And then you can go back and type text and then place it somewhere and then type, something or whatever you want, basically. And running a Geekbench test, we have the S8 Plus right here, the S9 Plus. We could see there is a drastic improvement, especially for the multi-core. Not so much for the single core, definitely an improvement, but especially true for the multi-core performance. It's almost night and day. However, for normal usage, there's not too much of a difference. So if you're just surfing the web, writing some notes and things like that, honestly, it's kind of hard to tell which tablet you're even on. So fairly smooth scrolling in Netflix. And we'll just do a quick comparison side by side between the latest iPad Pro and the Samsung. You could see that they're both buttery smooth. There's really no difference between them, and that's thanks to their 120 Hz refresh rate screen. Which is amazing. They both have amazing screens, very good quality. Right off the bat, I want to say that the iPad screen looks a little bit nicer, just visually, but honestly, they have to be side by side for me to even be able to tell a difference. They both look amazing. Now, if we were to do a comparison between that and the regular iPad Air, This one is a lot more laggy. I mean, my camera is recording at 30 frames per second, and this thing can still go up to 60 hertz. However, in real time, this iPad Air is laggy compared to the Samsung. Granted, the Samsung costs more money as well. This is what the camera looks like. I'm going to use the sound from the Samsung. I normally use it from the DJI that's hooked up to the cameras, but for this video, this is what the camera looks like. Looks very good, very clear in terms of what I'm seeing. So if you were doing a meeting or something like that, you should be good to go. So we'll end off the video by recording on the rear cameras of the tablet so you guys could see a difference between the front video and the back-facing camera video. So is it worth getting this thing? Well, honestly, it depends on your situation. So I would say, I mean, this is a really good tablet. It's a very good tablet. You could play games on this thing. You can actually research topics. You can write with this thing. You could take notes. The pen works very, very well. The screen is amazing. The sound quality is very good considering it's a tablet. I mean, don't expect crazy sound out of this thing, but being a tablet, it is pretty good. I think Samsung did a fantastic job. But let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Is this tablet worth getting or not? Or, you know, is an iPad better really? And again, if you guys are interested, I can do a comparison video between the iPad Pro and the Samsung tablet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.